1 grams per centimeter cube. So relative density is equal to density of the substance is 0.66 divided by 1, which is 0.66. So relative density is equal to 0.66. Okay. So this is our 8th sum. Now let us go for the 9th one. The solid waste that is a solid. The solid weighs 0.15 Newton in air. So let me consider that as W1, that is equal to 0.15 Newton in air, and 0.10 Newton in water. Find the relative density of the solid. So you have to calculate the relative density of the solid. Okay. What is the formula to calculate the relative density of the solid? Relative density of the solid is equal to W1 minus W2 divided by W1, right? That is the formula. W1 by W1 minus W2, sorry. W1 by W1 minus W2. This is the formula for relative density. So this is formula, this is data section. Now let us go for solution section. So by using the formula directly applying it here, okay, relative density is equal to, do we know the W1 value, that is 0.15 divided by W1 minus W2, that is 0.15 minus 0.10 equals 0.15 divided by 0.05. Okay, this is, if you subtract this you will get this much. Then what will be the value of that? The value of this is 3. Okay, the value is 3. So the relative density is 3. Okay, this is the answer, relative density of the solid. Next, let us go for the 10th question now. 10th question. Density of the bottle weighs 25 grams when empty. There is a bottle, its density is 25 grams when density is 25 grams, means they are saying weight, okay, W1 grams, W1 is equal to 25. By seeing the unit you can understand what they are saying. Okay, just check the unit, then you write density. They are saying density, but density, when they say density of something, density is equal to mass by volume, right? They are considering volume to be 1, then mass will be equal to, if volume is 1, then mass is equal to density. So they say that density is, so you have to consider in place of, even if the word is density, it is mass what they are representing, that is weight, because it is gram. See, unit is gram. By that you can understand that. Okay. When empty means when filled with air. Okay, when empty, 25 grams. Then 48.5 grams when filled with liquid. Okay, so liquid means it is W3 is equal to 48.5 grams when filled with liquid, and 50 grams when filled with water, that is W2 is equal to 50 grams. I am writing this symbol W1, W2, W3 according to the formulas that we have for relative density. If you go through the theory of relative density, there is formulas for that, and we have taken certain representations for them. According to those representations, I am writing this W1, W2, W3. Okay, you just refer that theory and then come back and solve this sum. Now here you can take, in place of liquid you can take W2, and for water you can take W3 here you can, but you have to make the substitution also similar to the theory of the concept. Okay, so you have to interchange in the formula also. So instead of that, I prefer taking the weight of the liquid to be W3 wherever it is given, and weight of the water to be W2, and weight in air to be W1. Okay, so that is, we can go with the formula, we can go with the theory formula, so that you can do. When filled with the liquid, and 50 grams when filled with the water, calculate the relative density. So they are asking us to calculate the relative density of the liquid, okay, and calculate the relative density of liquid and express the value. Okay, 8th sum, we have missed something. Okay. Okay. Calculate the, now here, relative density of the liquid and express the value of its density in, and they are asking the value of density. They want us to calculate the value of density in CGS and in SI system, both. This is the question. and express the value of its density in CGS and SI system. Okay, how to calculate now? Now we know weights are given, so by using the weights I can calculate formula. Okay, by using the formula I can calculate the relative density. What is the formula for relative density formula? W1 minus W3. W1 minus W3 divided by W1 minus W2. This is the formula, right? This is the formula that we are using. Okay, then what is the solution? Just apply the value. Relative density is equal to W1 is 25 minus W3 is 48.5 divided by W1 is 25 minus 50. Okay, so this value is equal to, okay, if you substitute, it will be 0.94. 0.94. This will be the relative value. Okay, you have to calculate this and find out whether you will get the value as 0.94. I am directly applying here because you can substitute at home and get the value. Okay, simple mathematical calculations. Okay, you have to do. Here I have substituted, and on substituting, on verifying this, I will get this as 0.94. What is the next? Okay, relative density is calculated. The next one is calculating the density. Okay, how to calculate the density? Now relative density is given. First density in CGS system, let us calculate. So relative density is equal to density of substance by density of water. So if you want to calculate in CGS system, the density of water should be in CGS system. Okay, that's it. CGS, if I am calculating in CGS, this one, density of relative density. Okay, first I will manipulate the formula. I will bring this side. Implies from here, density of the substance is equal to relative density into density of water. See, this numerator multiplied to relative density of this one. So this, when brought this side, it will be relative density into density of water, which is equal to density of substance. So from there I am writing this. Now if I want to calculate in CGS system, then density of water should be in CGS. What is the relative density value? It is 0.94 into density of water in CGS is 1 grams per centimeter cube. So this is the value in density value in the CGS, that is grams per centimeter cube. Okay, grams per centimeter cube. What is the relative density value? Sorry, density value in SI. Density value in SI. Okay, density value in SI system. So density is equal to relative density into density of water. Relative density is 0.94, density of water is 10 to the power of 3. Now this is the value kg per meter. The same value, see, same value. Difference is only in terms of the densities. What you are substituting. In CGS you have to substitute 1, in SI you have to substitute 10 to the power of 3 or 1000. Okay, this is the value density. So here we finish this class assignment, but I would like to make one more here, that we have left one part in the 8th sum. Let me do that again. Okay, 8th sum. So I will do that 8th sum part. Okay. Relative density. So you have we have calculated the relative density of calculate the relative. Okay. So what did we calculate? I'll do it again. However, it is W1 is equal to 200 Newton in air, weight of solid in air. W2 is weight of solid in water, 160 Newton, and W3 is 170 Newton in liquid. Calculate the relative density of the solid and that of liquid. First you have to calculate the relative density of the solid. What is the formula for relative density of the solid? That is W1 divided by W1 minus W2. What is the value? 200 divided by W1, that is 200, minus W2, that is 160. Okay. So this is the 8th sum we are doing. The question is solid weighs 200 Newton in air and 160 in water and 170 in liquid. Calculate the relative density of solid and relative density of that of liquid. Means the second question. Okay. Now here 200 divided by 40. I think we did not do this sum, right? Ones are 5s. Ones are 5s. Okay. So this is relative density of solid 5. Now let us calculate the relative density of liquid, that is W1 minus W3 divided by W1 minus W2. Okay, W1 is how much? 200 minus W3 is 170 divided by, okay, 200 minus 160. This is 30 divided by 40. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. So 0.75 is the relative density of the solvent. Okay, this is the 8th question. Answer for the 8th question. So I think now we have completed all the sums of this one. So this is class assignment 8. We finished the class assignment 8 here. Tomorrow, next session, we will be studying about class 9. Okay, thank you.